like a teenager driving a golf cart, and they didn't see the dog out in the road, and they just speed up and hit the dog.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Hidden Adventures. What's up, everybody? What is going on, everybody? I hope y'all having a fantastic day or night. Here in Shelby, North Carolina, it is dreary. We have a tropical storm hitting our eastern coastline, and us here in Shelby, North Carolina, we are only 3.5 hours away from the coast. And so we're getting all the clouds and everything, and it's supposed to rain all week because of this tropical storm. Stacy was telling me a story about a dog got hit by a golf cart.
Yeah, and its right back leg is broken.
Oh, I hope they did something to help it.
The owner's gonna go by the store and get like gauze to wrap its leg up.
Super Bandit, what are you doing? Huh?
Yeah,
Have y'all checked the mailbox?
Yeah.
You sure?
Tina said the mail already ran. We got stuff in there that the mail needs to be picked up, but Tina said the mail already ran. But Papa got a package left on the porch.
Yeah, I'm supposed to be getting something.
I'm supposed to be getting something about May 21st.
I'm supposed to be getting my super magnets, y'all, and I haven't got them yet. Yeah, we got something in here. We got mail. We got mail. We got mail. Oh, Social Security Administration.
I went to see Papa.
Did you?
Yeah. I seen a rabbit or a bunny, whatever you call it.
Did you? I like to know where my magnets are at. Look at that bird just sitting in the road. It's just sitting there in the road. I wonder if it got hurt or something. Normally a bird don't just sit in the road like that.
No, that's a blackbird.
That's not a blackbird though.
No.
I wonder if I move closer to it, will it fly away? Or is it hurt? Let's find out. Birdie, birdie. There you go. He ain't hurt. He was just chilling out.
Yeah, that puppy, it was a puppy.
Oh.
And it's husky part pit.
Okay. I gotta get ready to go to work, y'all. I just want to let everybody know it's dreary today. Like I say, we got that tropical storm heading this way. We're gonna have some rain every single day. Man, it's gonna be dreary this week, but it could be worser. And look at here, y'all. Look at Super Bandit's hole he's dug over here. Look at here. What is it, buddy? You done dug a hole, didn't you? Alright, everybody. For me, Stacy, and Super Bandit, y'all have a wonderful, super duper day. And come out and see us now, you hear?